Security is just an illusion. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Have you ever realized that sometimes most people would rather stay in their comfort zone than venture out and try out new experiences because they feel like their comfort zones is a safe place? But the truth is that's just an illusion. Most people would even rather stay in one job because of the job security, because of all the perks, than venture out and start their own businesses or start working within themselves to try and become the best version of themselves because they feel like there's security in a job. The truth is there's no such thing as job security. There's no such thing as staying in a place, especially in recent times. We've all seen people that have been in jobs for 25 years, but because of the recent economy, everything is shattered. You can be made redundant just like that, with given a lump sum, and that's the end of it. You can even be injured. When you really think about it, there's no such thing as job security. You have to make sure that you're building a life where you don't have to rely on other people. Build a life where you're choosing yourself, where you have control of what happens to you, where you have control of how you get from A to B, where you determine the hours that you work, where you determine how much effort you're trying to put into something. And I think that life is more than just staying in your comfort zone. You weren't born to just stay in the same place every single time. Venture out. There's so much more that the world has to offer. You never know, something may actually happen while you're still staying in your comfort zone. What's the point of being able to look back and regret that you didn't move to the city that you wanted to move to, you didn't go to university, or you went to university and nothing came out of it, you didn't have children when you wanted to, you waited too long? Whatever it is, take a chance on yourself to progress, to become the best version of yourself. Don't give 25 years to building somebody else's dream. At some point you have to actually choose yourself. What do you want? What does your life look like? Step out of the comfort zone. There's no such thing as having security. Yes, you can have a roof over your head, but sometimes natural disasters happen. So what are you doing? Take a chance, live your life. Don't focus on the bubble too much. Do what needs to be done, but make sure that you're living a fulfilled life. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is doing so many different things, discovering who you really are, what truly matters to you. You're not really going to learn that from staying in the same place, staying in the same bubble, rotating around the same people. Try and venture out. Don't stay in a place because you feel secure. Don't stay in a job just because you feel like you've built a foundation there and you can't get any better. You're always able to negotiate your terms. Make sure that you're negotiating your terms, and make sure that if you want to start a business, just go for it. Just venture out. Just safety is an illusion. I'm not saying put yourself in very dangerous situations. What I mean is staying in that comfortable bubble is an illusion. Somebody could come tomorrow and burst your bubble, turn your whole life upside down. Make sure that you're doing things that are meaningful, things that have purpose, things that give you purpose, things that give you drive, things that make you want to get up in the morning, and you're venturing out. Make sure that you're not staying in your comfort zone and you're venturing out. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.